Emra Sompa 106.1 FM so na wonim say agudie mu nsamra so na se ne de bia no pa ye no ne nso matena se ansam no me ba behwem agu ho eriama na ne nsam ne dros pa wonim say FIFA World Cup no enya man na wiye eto aso sanso ne ba na fisam no mu a transfers ahodo bebre na ekoso na amanfo pina kasa efa Ghana football ye pitches ne infrastructure de ye football no ho ehon sem nyina ewo firiam ha ne me da akire e de ma tiefo nyina hya ne so se dwumade yi live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Facebook okwa na wa like na wa comment ya share Facebook follow page no maye na bibia so entumi nya kama na YouTube no Sompa FM live Sompa FM live YouTube okwa na wa subscribe na bibia so etumi aye kama no pa me din ene my G ubetumi so from the entertainment anas yenko na yen share afisem na se William Sanchez bia ena bono ahafo regional cycles chairman Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko chairman Fuzi nono aha enche bia ene enya nte se wode ne dwumade nyina ato ho se regional cycles chairman wontumi to aso biem enya regional cycles chairman Mfama Kotoko na no ena supporters chairman na nkasa eye Solomon Ofosuware or the letter babonte na wo tremu a also regional cycles chairman Fuzi Resonation or the buyer no enya de obesom enti no wode na kasa wo fonso no mudi nkomo pa kwa akire na wo kyerema ade ane dwumade no woto aso akosi semra to abama ne se woni ade no emre no bebawie eno nso achi no okoso na wa prepare grounds na makotoko onim se kotoko bebo 5 games e wo bono ahafo enti no chairman Fuzi ndi sa dwumade nyina sebe ya kotoko ba omo betimi abo na omo betimi awe ni games na ma bia tumi ai comment wey ene de free Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ye ba ye da akire na no pai ede ma tiefo nyina ye to aso a wonim say Division 1 league aye bone Ghana maimu ha enche bia ne barrier ye teams ni bi a qualify o mo bebo Ghana Premier League ni bi na no ena Super Cup aye bebo no aye Division 1 League X1 Super Cup no teams mako enwotwe ena tumi qualify afi o mo ena ekwakosi kan wo sa kan se no no ena GFA the teams na bana zone bia no teams mienu a ball mo homoden pa na team qualify into 6 when him say was zone 1 zone 2 zone 3 now face no the third best place teams the yi mienu de beka ho and the teams mako nwotwe na airboss can say no na yekopiem e was zone 1 a wobenya team o mo qualify ba Ghana Premier League no e DBB United o mo e kwa akobo bi sanso na Tamale City na womono runner ups was zone 1 omonso kwa kobobi wo na zone 2 no ye Ashanti Gold 04 womo kwa kobo Super Cup ni be na fence no ebusua dwarfs unim sa womonso no etime board Division 1 league ni be omonso kwa kobo Super Cup ni bi na ye kopiem was zone 3 a ho ye Port City omonso ba bebo X1 Division 1 league Super Cup ni bia afa Sompa fi omonso ba bebo bi no so ne nsem afri ho ba ya da che na no pa dia ma tiefo nyina na ye kopiem a the best third place teams no teams say team qualify and you attract the Visa SC omono was zone 3 omonso ba be bobi na nso Pon Fidelity FC so was zone 2 omonso no eba the third place teams na omo eba omo homode pa omo kwa akobo Super Cup ni teams mako nwotwe afi omo kobo X1 Division 1 League Super Cup no ehon sem na majagu wa nano pay ye de mamo was some tip of sports na GFA chemu a date na nhyehyɛ bia na enche omo de betu ja na bibia so atima kama now when him say Confederation of African Football CAF no womo ene bana kansie mu na football Africa ha womo eda no na side so womo organize national and international tournaments no bana club side no so aye the CAF Champions League ene the CAF Confederations Cup no ena CAF e dia base womo be window no say teams no betima registration no ena womo chiremu a the early rounds of the registration no ever from August 1st to August 5th so until August bossman no no every day dikan ko si there toso edunum no yet the early rounds na ye PM the preliminary rounds no honso no window no be from August 16th to August 30th no and a CAF e dia by no so nsema every wa eba na group stage registration no and also be course October 1st sa dia kwa ko PM October 31st until 1 full month teams no ebetime registration for the group stage now final changes are teams no betime for knockout stages no and also window no be from January 1st to January 31st 2027 until 2027 every day di kan ya ko see dey chat one teams ni benya kwenya na wo monso no timi registration and na changes be a ombeye for the final knockout stages na no and a CAF trema so we team now be register player I was a player no wotimi register no 72 hours before say obetimi abo game wotimi abo ntino so register player no by 3 days and sana wotimi I eligible say obesi akan ni bi na CAF trema team bia no obetimi register a maximum of 40 players and players mako aduanan na obetimi register na no chi no omo chema match bia no substitutions obetimi aye no obetimi aye nchesai ba mako enum 25 substitutions na obetimi aye na no chi no obetimi anya reserve players mako enkron ewo bench 89 substitutes and ebetina bet na fence no eba ne staff say technical team na eno so no nipa mako 9 ana enkron and ebetimi atena bench wey ene nhyehyɛ ya CAF ade aba concerning afi CAF Champions League ne CAF Confederations Cup na ebekoso no na yanto aso wonim say Kwasi Sibo esina kan e La Liga num na o ye Ghanaian international sa midfielder ye call World Cup no gina mfino dan ne ho na wo kyeremu a wo say offers bebre aba na kwan mu a wo nso no obetime nya kwanya no akosi akan de ma team foforo wonim say ni team ni timi call relegation ti o kyeremu a oda so ye very young how 28 but o say oda so ye very young into no offers bebre aba o nso no betime akosi akan na wo kyeremu a o say Ghana yen game a ye ball against England no sa game no na a game I also did how did prove it amount say nyina na did prove it check Ghana for nyina say no obetimi abobo no ye pa nti yenko tie nsem ne bia Kwasi Sibo e kai na wo kyeremu or say the game against England na a gamer or the edi advance ya chairman say nyina so no akansie no obetimi asipa.
And then you played in the big one. You actually started a big one against England.
Yeah, the big one. I have something that I always tell my friends, like, you know, after the Panama game, like a lot of people were happy that when I came in, things started going well with the team. They said there was stability on the field, this and that, and they are hoping that I can start the second game against England.
Yeah.
And I told them something like, yeah, I'm someone who loves challenge. Mm-hmm. If the coach is willing to put me in that game, I will give everything for the nation. Mm-hmm. As always, that I'll try my best. It's not like I'm a player who will be on the field and only thinking about my individual qualities, holding the ball, doing this and that. Sometimes the sacrifice came from, if you are not having the ball, are you running for the team? Yeah. Are you closing spaces for the team? Are you helping your colleague? So you see, when the last training session at we were camping at
in Providence, Brown University.
In Providence, our last training session. I remember when he made a team, then I saw that I would start that game. So like, oh, I'm gonna face big midfielders, the likes of Declan Rice, Deli Henderson, Jude Bellingham. So like, okay.
Even for somebody who plays in La Liga, that's still a big deal for you.
It's still a big deal because I have never played against Jude. Our first leg he was injured, and our second leg I got red card. so I was like, okay, this is a big game for me, and it's a big challenge, you know. And this is time to show who you are. This is the time to prove yourself to the world, to prove yourself to Ghanaians that the responsibility that you have on your shoulder, you are ready to carry the responsibility, no matter what it is.
This is a time to prove to the world, say responsibility no wo betimi akare. Kwasi Sibo na yete ne nka no na yeto so a wonim said Daniel Opare a former Black Stars player na wo kyerema osi oye Ghana ni nti no eno ne ntrese man nka no kre wo me ban infrastructure Ghana ha yem pitches ene ne ma ide ye football no ni nyina nhyeda nkoye osi infrastructure ye pitches ne ye poor nti Daniel Opare kyerema e wo say yetumi improve ye pitches no sabe ya younger generation no yen kill talent e free ho yenko na yenko tia nsema Daniel Opare editu ja.
We all have to embrace it. I mean, we've seen what he can do. Maybe if he stays around for some time, our team will improve. And for me, discipline will improve in the team. That is what we need in Black Stars currently. You know, when discipline is there, the team will play well, definitely.
Enti ye twaso de amount de na wonim said ye sports and recreation minister Honorable Kofi Adams na Honorable Kofi Adams ye sports and recreation minister e de Ghana na wo kyerema wo si coach and the Carlos Queiroz no enti no eyade a ono no bakes enti man be 2-year deal na chese onye bibia na chese won toto niema na yem Black Stars no enti mi enye kama enti nsema efri Carlos Queiroz akacha eba no enti no na chese de efri oba no sabre ye nan ho ne yenkwa ma no isanse mra no ense ni yafa yenkwa ma no na ye ba de aka bia no ye de beto ase de madam e koso aka o se jumade yi live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Samsung na YouTube Sompa FM live. ...2026 FIFA World Cup and Chabia and on my at Portugal APMU in a round of 16 and no and Spain Chomu Kaba come with me at the coffee and no and Cristiano Ronaldo and watching on in Sempina between now Chimwa was you World Cup Nedi home so much from the answer no show no Cristiano Ronaldo or see Namia Shrane pa or Shaniama what me achieve in football Ballon d'Or Sahoda Waji goals Sahoda Waji trophies Sahoda Warrior Nyankopon Eshran na World Cup no wotimi je ya enya de be sheda asesa bibia na je krampa wantimi anye no enya de be mana to sin nti ono de bia asedan kuto no de manyame se wotimi hia no e wo national team level na friends no club side no asedan kuto no de manyankopon nti de amanfo keka se World Cup na wanje ye nti no onya zero no so de bi ono de World Cup no by krampa anka ensesa bibia sanso na wanye no mane to sin wey ene de free zero akachi ba ya da che na no pai e de amachi for wonim se and Chabia na ensem bi ne namtintan so I chema Julian Alvarez ade a OPM FC Barcelona all the way from Atletico Madrid na no and Atletico Madrid one president no what they betu just say one Laporta no Barca president no him say Julian Alvarez season start here ade obesina kan Atletico Madrid in sem na man for keka no omunyai sa also one Laporta na dan for pa na de bia no mudi nkomo S20 one Laporta na ni team kra Julian Alvarez nso no ebetumi asi akan was season is chance enti no de amount for keka Monteno ni nyina no mungu na atwese de eba no enti no na atwese de free wa eba no now, when him say after Argentina team qualify ko PM in the finals no na Messi akasa na Messi chemosio amount for soromusio referees ebo Argentina na FIFA cramp pass World Cup no so Argentina conquer ne no e na Messi ababon when him say omokika sansem ni nyina no won say dan cash in fa ho na Messi echema o si wo hwe squad na Argentina kura na sa squad no eman hu so omo fighting spirit na echese enya de obi ede bibi echomo ohwe modern ball match after match sending players no eku omo sacrifice ball na ade a omo modern mo ene de omo kopie modern mom enye FIFA ana referees ene ball mo a eno so ne nsema Messi ade abetu dwa ye den che na no pai ade ama tie for na meto so a wonim say Shakira enkane na Gerard Piqué na yere no but sabre de wo muni hobiem na Shakira na World Cup enyom no 2026 de wono eno boy okaya 2010 eno nso no na atwese obo bi eno nso no de free Shakira kacha eba na Shakira se ohwe de Messi eye na or say extraordinary na atwese de oye no obia ni ho timi ye bi Messi no ni ball na ohwe se ne osisi akan na atwese nyasam keto akra na no na wakoso akoka wonim say women empowerment o chemu Messi yere Antonella no o say obana o time Messi echi no ono na atwese o hye ne nkura ono no ma na vema Messi timi bobo eye de oye no na atwese Shakira so ensem odi tudwa no na atwese o say Messi no eni ball ne bosi obia o wiase a obo Messi abaso now, World Cup na course no him say players be brain na na dodo na man of the match awards be brain na eba ne golden ball na wa betimi man of the match awards kese no eno so no obetimi arena si na so ma bibia tumi aye camera no na ya rank players ne bia omo eligible na possible so omo betimi age golden ball na si omo na sin Toria Branton di the Hurricane England captain na wa man of the match awards mienu na yekopie ma Spain Lamine Yamal ono so etimi age mienu si ni na so Vinicius Junior Brazil ɔno nso atimi agye mmiɛnsa sini nanso Erling Haaland onim sɛ Norway na osi aka ɔno nso no atimi agye mmiɛnsa sini nanso yɛbɛpiem a ɛyɛ France captain no Kylian Mbappe ɔno nso atimi agye mmiɛnsa sini nanso na kyerɛ sɛ Jude Bellingham ɔno nso England midfielder no ɔno nso atimi agye man of the match award no Marco 4 na Lionel Messi LED assistance na watimi agye man of the match award Marco 5 and based on these statistics na man for Pina Chema I was a Messi timi gye golden ball ne sini naso na kyerɛ sɛ bibia nso no etumi ɛyɛ kama. Now, one diehard supporter of Cristiano Ronaldo, now just a speed, I show speed. Now just a speed and so was say after say Cristiano Ronaldo a free mono. Now say or no or supporting Ronaldo, Nancy Ronaldo a free mono. So Messi Sanjay Walker for pa dia won't mean Tenaria Simuha. Ebayane ya papa. And speed Eddie chopper ako ama Lamine Yamal. Or say Lamine Yamal save me. Now Lamine Yamal save now here na say Ronaldo and now Messi jeba na Ronaldo and Timmy and Jibia. Ebayane yapa. Yanko tie senior speed pa Lamine Yamal chono.
Please Lamine. Please Lamine. Save me Lamine Yamal. Save me. Save me from disaster. I can't deal with this with another year. If Messi win the World Cup again, I don't know what I can say as a Ronaldo fan. I can't say anything. I can't say nothing. So Lamine Yamal, save us Ronaldo fans.
And you say Lamine Yamal save us Ronaldo fans. Naturally, I show speed and on to Ronaldo fans. Nina, Dodona say Lamine Yamal save you. Ebin so say Lamine Yamal job braggy too much into Messi and Gentino. Naturally, Sunday there and Yasem Ketwakra. Yeah, twice with the winning say you copy Spain Valdabe Basa hope and a Real Madrid or training there. Course now after said Jose Mourinho buying training now say and players need to be called training now. Omuye 2 training sessions. Omo de kan kwano pa na afen so no ria omo be pie mu anya sam keto akra nti Jose Mourinho started na no a ohia omo koye ball drills kakra na twese mu pia balls no ha omo be possess ball no wonim say league na nche e be chance no so achi no omo ye finishing drills kakra na twese the ball ne to no ball e de ato atena nu ma na twese nya sam keto akra na no e na players ni bia na omo pra no omo start omo recovery na nya sam keto akra nti abrante ne di e de Eda Militao na twese o gym ho recovery no na e course Fela Mendy so no ekopie mo gym ho na ono so no recovery na oguso na brante onya ACL Rodrigo one so na o gym ho recovery no na ekoso na twese Madrid are poised say this season here La Liga and Champions League no omo betimi agesi omo na so e no so ne de free Valda ba se ba ye da tire e de ma tie for. Now when him say Arsenal player ba kwa twese obo ne homode pa de ma Arsenal Leandro Trossard. Now this particular season chassis anya de obesi na kan e de ama Arsenal biem na brantia no akwa kopiem e wo Besiktas e ho e na sabre okosi na kan na chese nsem efri ho e ba no na wonim say abrantia no e bo games e mako 174 de ma Arsenal. Now out of that all share 36 goals 34 assists na chese Trossard na chese obo ne home de pa de ma Arsenal. Now no e no kopiem o Besiktas no wada president na say wada fans nyina se omoto no e de ba Besiktas na otrema obebo ne homode pa de ma Besiktas da omo nso no atimi agi glories yenkotie ensem a Leandro Trossard edituja.
First of all, I would like the president to thank the president and the club to bring me here. I felt the support from them. And I'm really excited to be here. Obviously, second of all, I want to thank you guys. I felt the love from every Besiktas fan all over the world, and it means a lot to me. I came here with a purpose, and that's to bring Besiktas back to the top where they belong, together with the fans. And I've learned one thing: as players, we cannot do it on our own. We can only do it with the fans behind us. So let's create magical moments this season.
Okay, and Leandro Trossard and I at saying in Canada as I say France no omunti e no buy enti so mo tie na chi na so obo ne ho mode am bo mo so no betimi age glories ama bibia timi ay kama. Now one transfer story address e trend power one thing tiny so aya brand and di e de Michael Olise when him so sina kan de man France friends no Bayern Munich e ho e no sina kan e no e na okopie mu World Cup when him say World Cup no squad of France de koy no Madrid for those wo mu kakra sans na ye Bayern for so e wo ma nya asem keto akra na no e na asem e bobo ba se Real Madrid e de sika e kwa akofa brand no na when him so ne Dayot Upamecano e si aka o Bayern no na Upamecano e try as obe convince no so won stay esan so ka e Bayern Munich ko betimi age glories na bibia so etimi e kama but when him say Kylian Mbappe e wo ho sanse na Tchouameni o nyina so e wo France squad no ma e ade o mo convince abrantie no o so wo ba Madrid e ho de esan say afibia no BMW 4 be ma ka afenso no e Florentino Perez e ade obe boase wa hu obe mouse ka na chese bibia so etimi e kama e Benabao ho no e comebacks ahodo bebre remontada ahodo e koso wa Champions League no wo betumi agibe nti no Ayadia Kylian Mbappe and Aurelien Tchouameni convince Brantian so omra na wo mesina kan enfa Madrid na bibia ntumi enye kama enti ye re se sa transfer na sa deal no bekuma ye de honsem nyina ba betudwa e de amam emra no nya ye be enti no mamfa stories ni nsia nya be adom ochena Saturday third place game of the FIFA World Cup because ye betena se na ye the live commentary abram sanso na Sunday grand finale na ankasa no Spain ni Argentina live commentary ye de bebramo Jumadi FR Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Our friends to YouTube Sompa FM Live. Medi and my G way tip of sports. Me sorry Nana Owahine Champo Etwaso Ediamau.